Good morning, traders. Welcome to the smoothest live stream on the entire internet. My name is Lou Smooth. You guys can call me Smooth. And today is the day that the Lord has made. What is going on, everyone? Hopefully you guys are feeling good today, ready for a full day of trading today. It is Friday, so be careful with giving any gains back from this week, guys. It's going to be a wild one today. We have the ATRs already at 17.5 and only getting higher right now. We should probably start the day with an ATR around 30. That's what we've been seeing recently on the 1 minute. So be careful. It does look like we are forming some kind of a base here to possibly shoot back up. We did get a target hit here perfectly on the 1 minute down to 29,146. On the 5 minute, we do have a target back up here to this level at 29,400. So longs this morning look pretty good. I'm not sure if that's what we're going to see, but it's starting to shape up that way. It looks like we are possibly seeing a move right back up to the upside. 5 minute is confirming that, and the 30 minute is working on confirming that right now. So we could see a pretty massive move to the upside here this morning. So be ready and be careful, guys. My YouTube stream is doing it again, which is amazing. Thanks to YouTube. And I'm not even streaming on TikTok right now, which is crazy. I don't know what the heck is going on. I don't really know. But I'm gonna have to run some. I'm gonna have to run some tests after the stream today. See why my stream keeps doing this. Let me close out any apps that I don't need, maybe. Let me see what I can close. Let me close out music. Close that out. Close out Spotify. And close out TikTok Live Studio. Don't need that. All right, closing out everything I don't need. All right, hopefully that helps us out here. Sorry for the YouTube stream chopping up here a little bit. I don't know what is going on. We upgraded our internet to the best. I'm gonna order that. Cable that Joey told me about, that Cat 8 cable. Maybe that'll help us out. Hopefully I'm not completely frozen right now. I think I'm all right. All right, so we are getting right now the market pushing up and looking like it wants to go higher. So watch this move to the upside, guys. Let me say good morning to the crew. Good morning to J Ray. J Ray's exhausted. He traded London. Got long every time it swept the low. Up okay. 1,000. Nice. What's up, Piper Jane? What's going on, Joshua? We got also Legal Draft in the house. Jones is here. Or Joni. Sorry, Joni. Ryan Hunter, all the way from Vietnam, coming in with some good news from his overnight trading. Shout out to Ryan. What's up, Mo? How you doing, brother? We got also Larry Metz in the house. We got who else is in here? Timothy Smith. Flemo, what's up, Flemo? Good morning to you. Paul Reiser here says, "Good morning, traders. I lifted up my tank. I filled up my tank this morning. The pump asked, would you like a receipt? Me, no thanks. I'd rather forget this ever happened." That's how I felt 2 days ago. I filled up my tank with half a tank because I had half a tank on already, and my half a tank cost as much as my full tank used to cost, which was insane. What's up, Rafael Garcia? What's going on? What's up, C? Dre Robert, what's going on? I am Profits here this morning. F11, what's going on, F11? Yeah, the camera. You think the camera is what's doing it? I don't know, because maybe. I have no clue. No, it's better right now, so we're doing better right now. Let's see who's over in the mobile. Shout out to Carter Shellac over in the mobile. Shout out to TikTok. I'm sorry, not TikTok. To Kick and the Twitch crew. And let's see what we can come up with here in the charts. Let's take a look at the overnight on the mags. We had a sharp sell-off here. I don't know if we had some news at 4 a.m., but oh no, this just opened. It just opened lower. Never mind. That's when it opens. We could shoot up to about 70.45 on the mags. Nvidia also had a bit of a move lower. A lot of people profit taking probably on the China news. Nvidia looks like it may want to continue to head down. I took a short on Bitcoin this morning. I have a feeling the Bitcoin may want to come down to its 4-hour target. On the 4-hour, we put in a trap long signal up here. So I'm thinking at least in the 78s, I could take some profits and possibly hold it down to 76. It could take a few days, could take over the weekend. We'll see. Oil's coming back down a little bit. We're at around 100, floating on the VWAP, but it looks like we could possibly see that next move and next leg up back up to 102 on oil today. RTY, for those of you who trade the Russell, looks very bullish along with the other indices, or I'm sorry, very bearish along with the other indices this morning, but it doesn't mean that we could not have a quick move up and then back down. So watch yourselves. The YM also looking like it wants to head back lower. We have a target down at 49,440, but right now she is making a bit of a reversal to the upside. And gold, for you gold bugs, right now gold is looking like it wants to flatten out as well. We do have a target still lower, but it doesn't mean we can't come up first and tap that VWAP. Then that would make for a better short entry on gold. Right now I'm keeping my eyes on the NQ, and more than likely probably be looking for some shorts this morning if we do come and hit this level afterwards. But on the way up there we could make some money. So I'm hoping to be done with trading before 11 today, because it is Friday. So if we find some good opportunities, we'll be in and hopefully out. What's up, Gordo? How you doing, brother? Yeah, Raphael says that's the best cable, a Cat 8. Yeah, I'm gonna use a Cat 8. I'm gonna move my stop loss line profit for sure. Moving it right now. Yeah, we are moving it right now. A lot of people are taking advantage of the 7-day trial on the Smooth Trader Concepts Indicator, guys. Since we've released the trap trader indication, it has worked out incredibly well, especially when you look at it on the higher time frames. The higher the time frame you go, the better the signal. We have a trap short signal right here as well on the 5-minute. So this normally gives us a good indication, especially when you hit a good level, when you hit a nice level. Like right now we did hit this very important level. We had some liquidity down here, so the market is shooting back up right now, as you can see. And so is the ES. ES is ripping right now. ES is showing us a lot of strength. So we could open up this market a little bit stronger. We'll see what happens. I'm going to give the market a good, maybe 10-15 minutes to just show its hand. And then we go from there, kind of just like yesterday. A lot of trap shorts down here. Expecting lower. Same thing with the ES. A lot of trap shorts in there. All along here this morning too. Check them out right there. So I wouldn't be shorting right now, but also would not be longing right before the open. Anything can happen. If you guys want to take advantage of using the Smooth Trader Concepts Indicator, you can get the free version over on TradingView. All you have to do is go to TradingView, type in Smooth Trader, and you get the volume toolkit for free. It gives you a whole lot of, it gives you a plethora, that's a big word, a plethora of things that you guys can use on your charts. All you got to do is like it, leave a comment, and then you automatically get it once you add to favorites. If you guys want the full-blown version that gives you all the signals and the delta, you can check it out by using the pinned link in our chat. $7 for 7 days. And after that, if you want to continue using it, it could be as little as less than $2 a day. And it can completely change your trading. It has for me and many other traders. Wife's getting here. She's coming home right now from the grocery store, so she should be in here. My good luck charm should be here any minute now. Let's see. I think we could head up. We could head as high as 357. Yeah, I think we could head up to this level up here at the VWAP, all the way up to 390s, or we can continue to push to 30,000. Well, anything's possible. Market's looking bullish right now, turning over from red to green. Markets are looking super explosive. Mo has a good point here. He says, Paul, it should go long because it can't go down forever. I truly agree with that. Paul says that House Democrats fell 1 vote short of forcing a halt to U.S. military action against Iran. The resolution tied 212 and failed. Third Iran war powers vote this year. Wow. Trump claimed in G7 call that Iran is about to surrender. Wrong again. Yeah, I don't know. OPEX is today? Oh, yeah. Really? Could be a busy day. Yeah, so I'm hoping to be done here by before 11. Hoping to be done early today. Come, babe. You can leave that for later. come. Leave that for later. We'll be, all right, hopefully we'll be done soon. NVIDIA trading lower after both Trump and the U.S. Trade Representative Jameson Greed indicated that the company's chip sales to China were not a focal point of the conversations. I think that's BS. I don't think that's true. Chips are the number one. Chips are the new oil. How could you not talk about that in one of the most important meetings of the year? All right, market opens up in just about a minute here. Make sure to get your copy trader working, babe. I think there's an update that you have to run. I might be because I updated mine today. And then set your chart on 30 and 2 because I think we're gonna have a wild open. Yeah, people still say bring home the bacon. No, kids don't say that. Only boomers say that. Well, not like what I'm saying is like Gen Zers and Gen Alphas they don't say bring home the bacon. Well, maybe they do. I don't know. Do you guys know if Gen Zs and Gen Alphas say bring home the bacon? They probably say something like bacon maxing or something. I'd be guap maxing. All right, we're getting that push. Look at that NQ go. All right. Legal Draft says LOL. All right, market's open, guys. Be careful. She could be a doozy. Do kids still say doozy?
No.
They don't say doozy? That's just me? That's just me? That's only from the... That's a real boomer language, doozy. Only these young whippersnappers say doozy. All right, guys, let's see if we get this push here. Guys, give us a quick like here if you wouldn't mind. Try to get 100 likes today. We'll do a giveaway on a Friday. Even when you were a kid, no one said that. I know. I'm just making it up.
I think I heard that in Hey Arnold once.
You young whippersnappers? Yeah. You're welcome. You got it, boss. All right, we're getting that push on NQ. NQ's got a whole lot of different things going on right now. We got a MOAS power short. We got a whole bunch of things going on. We got a MOAS power short on a 5. Let's see what confirms there. Right now we hit the target here on this one, down to 261. Ooh, that's a nasty rejection right there. Showing some trap longs here at the moment. We missed that. We missed that VWAP on the ES. We also missed the VWAP here on the NQ. High volume at that too. This is a very strong signal. $960. Yeah, target could be 960. Thanks, Starlock. Appreciate you. Looking for 317 says I am profit. So we are going to be putting in a MOAS power short here. If we can push a little bit harder and get past the 21. Nasty rejection. Oh wow, we could have run on that. Quick moves here, quick moves. Nice market rejection there. I think we can get a move down to 175 is where it looks like the market may want to go. 175 looks like the place where she may want to tap into. Babe, you have everything set up? And you have the copy trader set? Copy trader set up too? 3 and 2. 30 points and 2 contracts. You got it? Okay. Being patient here, guys, waiting for this thing to settle down a little bit more. We still got strong signals to the downside around 175. Big delta candle on this candle we're on right now, but she's getting shut down hard. This might close red. This entire candle might close red here. Very nice. Good, 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 good. That 260 level. Yeah, big deltas right now. Big moves. Big moves. This move to this move to 175 here is pretty imminent. And we'll see what happens after that. Could get a move even further. I think she's trying to create some kind of a sweep here. Nice. All the way down to 140 maybe even on this move. Look at that beast of a move right there. 139. Looks like the target here for the downside. Overnight low sitting at 142. Big buyer stepping in, trying to defend his zone. Still see a lot of heaviness on the 15-second. What a push here. What a push. Staying patient here, guys. Waiting for the market to talk. Let's see what they do here around the 180s, 190s. Looking kind of heavy again. A lot of confusion here. The momentum wave is a chop fest right now. It doesn't know if it wants to go higher or lower. We need the market to start showing its hand first. No rush. The indicator's not saying much right now, brother. It's the 5-minute telling us we got a lot more downside to go. We have to wait for the next 5-minute candle to close to see what direction it wants to head in. Right now we have a absorption candle on the 5-minute. Indicator telling us right now that our buyers are absorbing all of this. I'm sorry, that the sellers are absorbing all of this market buy pressure here. The next candle that closes on the 5-minute will direct the path. So that's what I'm waiting for. We already got a target to the downside on the 5-minute. We've got a target to the downside on the 1-minute that's still open. So not exactly the most bullish indication at the moment, but depending on what happens on the next candle, we'll know. On the next 5-minute candle, we'll know. At least we should know. Nothing's ever 100%, but you never know. You never know. Stop reading your comments? Me? I thought you wanted me to read your comments. What's going on, Con? Doesn't matter to me either way, I end up in the red. Can't get a grip on the erratic market. There's no need to make a decision right now. We going bull or bear? Nothing right now. It's more likely for it to be a bear situation. The ATR right now is a 41. That is insane. On the 1 minute. We've been getting some major volatility, guys, which is good. It's good for us as traders. We need volatility. Okay, yeah. Market looks like it wants to dump. It wants to dump hard. Yeah, the 5 minute is looking like it wants to create another MOAS power short. Yeah, it already has one, but it wants to create a second one. Yeah, Bitcoin's dumping right now too. That's good for our short that we have. All right, we took out that target. ES still has a target down here to hit at 74.14. It's got some liquidity at 7,400. Oh, this thing's gonna just fly. Sorry guys. And my internet should be good now. It was rough this morning, but we're good now. Yeah, we're getting a massive sell-off here, guys. Massive sell-off. Waiting for a quick maybe pop back up for another rejection, but we'll see if we can come across that. I know, she's nuts. All right. I know. We could get a pop here, guys, and I'll be looking for a pullback after that. I'm not sure. Let me see.
I was gonna say you should ask them if they have dogs or cats that are traders to them.
Yeah.
I don't use it to trade.
Yeah. Cats ain't loyal. These dogs ain't loyal. Nice push up here. Nice push. Big moves here. 50, almost a 50 on the ATR right now, guys. Almost a 50 right now on the ATR. This market right now is insanely strong. A 50 right now on the ATR. Unbelievable. Crazy. Unbelievable, this 50 ATR on a 1 minute right now. Congratulations on the trade, Con. Wild here. Very wild. Yeah, we may have to take off the bracket and go to 1 because these ATRs are unbelievable. Okay, I'll tell you what we're gonna do. Okay.
So leave it there.
Yeah, just leave it there for now. Bracket off and on 1. Right. Okay. Wild moves. Very wild moves. What's this trap short indication here? No, I'm just talking to them. Okay, sell 1. Yeah, sell it. Sell 1. Yeah. Put your stop at that last high at 243. Okay, we'll just leave that on there for now. Yeah, I think we can get a really nasty flush. I'm short right now, guys. I'm short 1.
140 or 240?
What? Do you mean their stop loss? Your stop loss should be at 243. That's where mine is. Yeah. We're short. So the stop should be at 243. Are you short or long?
I'm short.
Okay, so your stop loss is at 243. It's above. Are you watching my screen?
Okay. Oh, you're gonna tell me.
Yeah, leave open the take profit area. Just leave it open for now. Okay. See if we don't get tricked here this morning. Could end up getting. Yeah, we could end up getting tricked. Yeah. I'll tell you when to get out. Yeah, it looks like they want to rip. Holy smokes, are they going to rip it now? Damn, that 5 minute. 5 minute was showing us a lot of weakness. Now it looks like they want to bring it higher, possibly. Yeah, this is looking strong now. All right, we're out. You're out, right? Okay, we're out. We're out of that. Yeah, so it looks like it wants to just go ripping to the upside now. Even on the 5 minute is looking for downside. The 1 minute hasn't really given us an idea yet, but it is what it is. $51 on the 1 minute ATR. That's wild. Going right up to VWAP right now. That's what it looks like it wants, the VWAP. Maybe 400 even to the upside. What a trap right here. What a trap. Be patient here, wait for the 1 minute to give us a better entry. ATR is looking crazy right now. See, I might have been a little bit early to that short because it is playing out now. I'll wait for my entry. Crazy. He's playing out beautifully now after that second liquidity sweep. He's a bastard. Yep, she is a bastard. What's going on, green and gold? Out of ups and downs, yep. Am I comfortable talking about my long-term investments? Sure, I'll talk about that in a little bit. Just want to focus on these charts real quick. My Bitcoin short's doing real good right now. Man, what a meltdown here. Yeah, the short idea was right, just a little bit too early to it. Oof, man, what a move. Yeah, this is crazy. $55 on the ATR right now. Markets are wild right now. Crazy market we have right now. Unbelievable. Bitcoin's falling off a cliff. Yeah, we're up nicely on that short. Yeah, they either want 28,960 or 29,400. You want one or the other. A lot of chop here in this area right now. Let's try to short now, babe. Short. Okay. Let's put our stop loss at 213. Put your take profit at 28,980. Yeah, 28,980. We might take it before that, but
Yeah.
could still chop for a while. The 1 minute's giving us a good signal. We need it to close red. We need our 1 minute to close red. Man, what the hell are you doing? Okay. All right, good. See if we can get a continuation down here. Market is showing us that we possibly have some trap longs here, but this could turn into a trap short situation here if we end up going the opposite way. Yeah, buyers and sellers are definitely fighting here. Yeah, we really need a power short here. If we get a trap short indication, this thing could rip back up to VWAP. We need this to push down. If not, this is going to rip higher. We need this to close red, close red, close red, close red, close red, push. Damn. It's tough here. Tough call here. It's going to be a lot of chop. He might be trying to trap traders here. I don't know, man. Definitely a tough one. Not an easy one here. Yeah, I think we're gonna go rip. It might end up going long, babe. This might have been a trap. Yeah, so it was a trap again. Yeah, I didn't want any bit of this shorts. Yeah, go long with 2. And we're gonna put our stops at 140. Put 2 stops there. Looks like they want to bring it up to 400. Put one TP at 300. And then the other one probably gonna be at 400. So one. The other TP is gonna be at 380. Yeah. No. One is at 380, one is at 300. If we're wrong here, then we're done. Too much chop here. Get ready to get out if I tell you, okay?
For both?
Yeah, just put your finger over the exit all, okay, if I tell you. Yeah, buyers are stupid, relentless strong here. It's like they want that VWAP. I am long with 2. I got 1 TP at 300. The second TP I have is at 380. Stop loss is down here. Let's see if we can take one off. Let's see if we can take one off here at 300. We'll leave the other one for a runner. All right, good. We got one off. Take one of your stop losses off, babe. Move that last stop loss you have to break even. You're at 216. 212. Okay, you're even better than me then. All right, see if they'll start after all this consolidation in here. Let's see if we can get that move up at least to 360. If we end up getting a trap here, then oh wow, buyers are very strong right now. See if the delta can keep pushing here. We got a little bit more to go up to that, close to that 400 range here on this. I think this is like a 5-minute level, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's a 5-minute level, yeah. Get ready to close it if I tell you, okay? Buyers are kicking some butt here. See if we can keep moving. We got our second TP up here at 3. I don't know why it closed out on me. No, never mind. I don't know why it closed out on me. 218. Get ready to close if I tell you, okay? lot of strength here, but let's see if we can continue moving higher. Instead of, because I'm sure they're going to give us a nasty pullback at some point here. Reading the delta here. ES is nicely over the VWAP right now. NQ is doing the same. Let's see if we can go higher here. Buyers are very strong at the moment. Let's see if they can continue pushing without a pullback. Nice, nice, nice. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going, buyers. Get ready to close if I tell you, okay? Close it. Take it there. 182. How much are you up? 205. Nice job. Call it there. Yeah, we locked in a solid week, man. Good job. Locked in a solid week. Good job there. Nice job, Gordo. You made some money on that. I think we still go higher. I think we go to this 380. I'm expecting a pullback here pretty soon. And then maybe we take a little bit of a rest and then another pop up to 380, 400. These moves here really got the best of me because the 5 minute kept asking for lower, 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 but then the 1 minute just never confirmed until we saw this trap happen here. Trap first to the upside and trap to the downside. That's usually the signal that that's the direction they want to go. So the secondary right there, that secondary trap short is what really got me going. I said, all right, you know, there's a lot of trap traders down in this area, so very strong move. We could still end up getting a massive move down, but I'm happy with that. Thank you, Green and Gold. Appreciate it. First 2 attempts were bad. Last one was good. Nice. She's still going. Keep going, baby. Keep going. Yeah, this 380 level is really the one I want to see get hit. It will go to 450, high conviction. Nice, Gordo. Yeah, I'm thinking it's going to go to this 380 here and then maybe have a pullback, but we'll see. You missed the move starting with the TP signal. It was a hard move to get into, man, to be honest with you, because market was looking very heavy down here. Even though we're at the lows, you know, of the range, the market was trying to tap back into a value area low. That's why I was thinking that it could end up rejecting, but it ended up creating a base on top of it. So this move here, which was the trap long indication, got me short. I got short a little bit earlier than that. Got me short just a few, maybe like a minute earlier than this actually showed up, because I saw it on the 15-second. This got me short, but when this got me out, I said, all right, the trap was set trap longs first, thinking it's going to go down, and then they trapped the shorts here, giving the real direction of the move. So that's what got me into it. But that is, those are my rules, guys. 3 trades for the day. If I'm over $150 for the day, then I call it. So I'm going to call it there on my funded accounts. I might take another trade or two on my evals, but we'll wrap up the week nice and green. We do need, I do need $60 to lock in another payout on my Lucid. I got one last night, which was a nice payout. We need $60 more to lock in the payout, but I'm not going to do that to myself. I'm not going to add that kind of pressure to myself, because then I'll end up tilting if I go the opposite way. So we'll leave those alone, and maybe we'll trade our evals. We have 2 evals that we want to do. You're done? I am profit. Smart move. I'm shorting into gamma. Yeah, but crazier things have happened. Gamma has broken in the past. SPX was at a key gamma strike, and market makers were hedging. Yeah, I saw it. I don't need to read the gamma to see that, because when you see this much trap short activity, it is definitely going to be something on your gamma levels for sure when you see that. But to be honest with you, I was looking at the 5 minute. The 5 minute was looking very heavy, very treacherous right around this time. We had not only one MOAS power short, but a second one, and then we had another power short confirmed in this whole range here. So it looked extremely heavy, and we had these levels here that were begging to get tapped. So I took an educated trade, but I was quick to not marry that bias, because when I saw that the trap was a trap, when I saw that the trap long was a trap for shorts, and this came in right after, I quickly changed my bias. There's no I used to marry my bias and keep trying the same trade over and over again, but God knows that that's never worked out for me in the past. So I got to be flexible and do what the chart tells me, because when you have a MV wave like this, that's kind of like skinny and all anemic looking, it's hard to know what direction she's really going to break in. So, you know, picking up on this signal that the trap was a trap, and we had all of this consolidation base here, and believe me, I had the long open as an option, because it really did look like a level that was going to be defended, especially when you look at the 5 minute. The 5 minute had this level being defended earlier today. We had a trap short indication here on the 5. We had another trap short indication here at 9:15. So it looks strong. It definitely looks strong, but it looks like we were weakening up this level here with breaking this a few times, you know, breaking these low levels a few times. So I thought it was a possibility, but obviously the market, when it speaks, you got to listen. If not, you get caught up in the wrong side of a trade too many times, and you get wrecked. Thanks, Con. 29,400 after the pullback and done. You guys are welcome, especially Yukon. I am profit called this whole move, guys. You guys just send him 10% of your whatever you made today. Send him 10%. Let's see what the auto trader is doing. Is the auto trader trading this morning? Because I've been working on this thing. Hopefully it is trading. Let's open it up from 9 a.m. From 9:30. Have you taken any trades today? It has taken some trades. Let's see how it's done. It probably got wrecked. Let's see. Actually, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's a 50-50 right now. It's at a 50-50. What trades could it have taken? What trades did you take since 9:30? Okay, 530. Okay, we had that. Trap long. Okay, so this trap long, that was a winner. So did it win this trade at 942? Okay, 943. Stop canceled. Okay, it won that trade. Nice. And then it took another trade. No, that's the only one it took today. And so it should be at 100% win rate. What trades did it take that it lost? What? Yeah, our limits got filled. Oh, okay. What trades did we take? 926. Nine 926. No, this thing has a 100% win rate this morning. Why does it say 50-50? That's weird. I don't know. This is crazy. I gotta look at that later. All right, so we are getting that pullback now after hitting this critical level, but I think we still have another little pop in us to actually tap 396. So look for another, maybe, look for another move to the upside here, possibly. Great job today, babe. My wife and I went to go see Devil Wears Prada last night. Devil Wears Prada Part 2. I am officially, testosterone levels have come down significantly.
Oh my gosh.
And I'm going to start wearing Louis Vuitton red bottoms shoes only. Or Jimmy Choos, I'm not sure. I'm my wife's official shopping buddy now.
You should be proud though. This is what best friends do. I help you with
This is what BFFs do.
and then you go shopping.
You go shopping buddies, man. Let's go half on a Louis purse. Go half on a Louis.
I don't even know what
I know. Let's go half on a Louis. What's up, Brookle Trader? How you doing, man? All right, let's see what happens here, guys. We did get that trap short alert here. We are right on the VWAP, though. That's the only thing that's worrying me. We did miss this level up here, so I am open to possibly going long on this move again. I like to move long. You gonna go? $450 possible, says Khan. Maybe the hair will grow back without testosterone? Oh, maybe it will. That's a good thing. Brickle said that's a gay movie. Yeah, it's gay if you go see it with your boys. But if you see it with your wife, it's just part of being a husband. I love DWP. I don't care what anyone says. They says the indoor prince. They want 450. Yeah, sometimes you gotta make sacrifices, man, when you're married. You know? When you love the one you're with, you make sacrifices. I'll be the sacrificial lamb. Go watch DWP. Yeah, this long looks good here. Back up to 400. Oof, man, she took off. I should have went in on that. Darn it. You know, there's a lot more gay things to watch out there. You guys are too funny. Yeah, this looks like it's gonna rip. The trap short indication there should have been my signal to go long on this. I hesitated too long because we were right on the VWAP. It made me a little uncomfortable. The squeeze and bears at 450. You can make fun, but you can't take this to 400 with heavy size. Let's see if we get 450. 450 here. Yeah. Being at the VWAP doesn't make me feel too comfortable. What's up, Prod Son Swift? Yeah, the 5 minute looks like it might be creating a trap. The 5 minute looks like it might be creating a trap for longs. In the next 3 minutes, we'll find out. If that's the case, this thing could kind of dump back down to those levels I was talking about earlier, 28.9s. It's looking like it's brewing a trap for longs. 15 still bearish. Yeah, kill us, guys. Have us give us a like here on the stream, so we can do a giveaway at 100 likes. Yeah, she's still trying. She's still trying. She hasn't given up yet. We'll see how this 5-minute closes out. Bears have lost velocity, says Khan. Bulls are in control of the tape. Yeah, we're still missing that 387 level. How's our Bitcoin short doing? Yeah, we're up a nice amount. 81% on that Bitcoin short. Keep our eyes on it. So we're gonna get a ripper. The 5 minutes closing as a power long instead of a trap. So the trap is not likely. Looks like we're just gonna get a move higher. Uh-oh, trap long. Trap long and strong. Buyers taking over this candle. If this closes with bullish delta, this is probably going to be the candle that brings us up. Well, the next few candles will be the ones that bring us up, but this will be the candle that most likely will not get revisited if it closes bullish on a delta. Oh, buyers are absorbing here. Yeah, he beat it out. Turned into a pretty decent move there. Let's take a look at the rest of the market, see if we are in good company here with the others. Okay, Mag 7 right now is pushing hard. They are trying to reach for this level up here at 70.43. Okay, getting a rough opening there, bang, but it did do its thing. Nvidia did actually come down to these levels that we had here on the chart. Very, very crazy. Now it looks like it wants to go higher. If we get this trap short indication here, could go much higher. Bitcoin right now is still at the lows of the day at 79 right now. I'm not wondering whether I should take profits on this, but I don't really see a reason to just yet. Still got this level here. We got trap longs on the 5 minute, so I would still hold. Oil is looking like it wants to break up and up to 102, maybe 102 and change. Gold is hit the target perfectly. Now she's moving up higher. Yeah, target's been hit really nice. Super choppy market now. Still in the 35 region on the ATR, which is massive. We're not on the 5 minute, guys. We are on the 1 minute, and we've got a 35 ATR right now. You're trying to trap bulls? Yeah, that's what I've been thinking this morning. We're doing pretty good, Nostalgia. How are you? 381 resistance. Good move to 400, guys, but watch the chop. Yeah. Microsoft is ripping at value area high. What's at value area high right now? DNQ or Microsoft? Got a trap long indication up here, guys, but we do have a thick green wave, so I wouldn't short just yet. I would wait. Yeah, Bitcoin short that we've got on right now. Is this it? No, this is not it. This was the long I had originally. Yeah, the short I have on right now is down to 76, 500-ish area. She's looking pretty good right now. Stop is at 80,480. So we'll see what happens there. If you guys are looking for a prop firm to trade with right now, I recommend the ones I'm using, which is our Apex, Tradeday, Tradify, and Lucid Trading. These are the best ones I've found. And right now, Tradify, you can get a free account with them if you head over to their website. You can sign in under a new profile if you don't have an account with them, and you can get a free account which will enter you into the Grand Cup or the World Cup of Trading for Tradify Cup is what it's called, the Tradify Cup, and it starts next week. You'll get a 50K account. You'll be able to trade 1 mini or 10 micros. You'll have $2,500 end of day drawdown, and your starting balance will be 50K, like I said. So the top 1,000 accounts will advance to the next level, and then on the next level, you'll go head to head with other traders. You might even end up getting paired up with a guy like Kane or Rahul or Travis. I don't know who these people are, or maybe PW. You never know. Maybe one of these famous people, you know. So yeah, I'll be in there too, guys. Who knows? Maybe I'll be paired up with someone if I make it to the second round. So top 1,000 accounts, guys. If you're in the top 1,000 of traders, you'll make it to that next round. And the first place winner gets 200,000 doll hairs, and they have a total of $1 million that they're playing with prize pool. Really cool. Check it out, guys. Use code SmoothTrader if you do end up buying accounts with them. Tradify is one of the GOATs. They're one of the better prop firms out there, so I stand behind them. Which I don't do with many prop firms, by the way. It means a lot. All right, we are getting that pullback. She's getting real pulley and backy. She are getting pulley. So I didn't really trust that move up. I think we have a little bit of unfinished business. That 5 minutes still red. 5 minutes still has targets way down there. Are you talking about the NQ con? Gotcha. Yeah, it looks like this 5 minute may want to actually put in a bull trap. And I'm gonna go ahead and close this out because it got close enough to my TP here where I would have taken it anyway. I will say, double trap long signal here and having a 5 minute bearish MOAS right here, as you can see on our triple Indy indicator. The 5 minute right now is bearish and it hasn't hit its targets yet. The 1 minute here is giving us a 1 minute took out its target and almost took out the 5 minute target up here as well. We got a double trap long indication up here. The 5 minute just went from buyers absorbing sellers to sellers completely taking over the candle. So on that 5 minute, this candle here was at one point yellow, but it has turned completely red now because of the bearish delta got too strong. So it looks like they are trying to probably trap some traders here in this area. So we'll keep our eyes on that. Right now, like I said, the wave is too massively green. So I think we're going to get some chop before we end up getting an actual move that I'd feel comfortable getting into. It could look something like, you know, she could move fast. Who knows? You know, she could go straight down. But what I think we would probably get is a little bit more consolidation. And then until the wave starts getting very much smaller, and maybe give it one last kaplunk, you know, until we come down to 20. I think we come down to 28.9. 28.9. I'm thinking this level here. Something like that. That's what I'm thinking. All right, we're all getting our first MOAS power short here. Target on that one is 216. Huge drop on the way, says Gordo. Bull trap, I'm going short, says Gordo. I agree with him. I agree. Gamma Flip says 711. QQQs is now below its negative gex. Carry trade plummeting to 0. Go short. Yep. I agree with you. Let's see what ends up happening here, guys. Give us the likes, guys. Let's see if we can get the likes. We're up to like what, maybe 5 likes by now? What do we got? 4 likes. We got 4 likes right now. That's good. All right, let's see if we can get to 100 likes, guys. 100 likes. Come on, donate a like. It would help us a lot tremendously. Or say something in the comments. And if you've already liked the channel, if you already liked the stream, do me a favor and just go in here and just drop a comment if you normally don't comment, or start giving us some of these emojis here. If you like something that Khan said, or if you like something that maybe Mo said a funny joke, or Paul said something that's comical, you know, just give us a little heart and smiley faces. Helps with engagement from what I've been told. What's the TP for the short here? 216, I think it was. Yeah, 205. 205. I wouldn't take it just yet. I'd wait for maybe another trap long indication. We're getting some of that choppiness on the stream. I have no idea why. I'm gonna have to figure that out. Let me put that on my tasks of things to work on today. All right, I'm gonna order that Cap 8 cable right now. I'm gonna order it right now. It's actually I think it's on my wish list. What do I need? I need like a 10-footer. 8 foot? Do they have bigger than 8 foot? Let's see. 10 foot? I think 10 foot will work. No, let's go with a little bit bigger. Let's go 15 feet on this cat. Okay, let's add that. Add that to cart. Markets are moving down here, guys. Looking to see all the stuff I need here. USB to where does this go to? I think that goes to HDMI. HDMI to HDMI. How many HDMI ports do I have? Give me a sec, guys. You know what? I'll work on that later. I'll work on it later because if I work on it now, I might actually lose the signal. So I'll work on this later. Trying to fix the stream for next week. Markets are still holding up. They're still holding up quite well here, but I think they're gonna have a drop coming in soon. We'll have a look. I trade with Lucid. Yeah, I have 4 Lucid accounts. My wife has 1, so I can't have more than 5 in a household. Nostalgia Cinema is bright green. Nice, brother. Well, that's the big drop, says Khan. Indicator strong today, says Jerome Kim. Yeah. Indicator strong. Blue 3 TPT accounts thought it was micros and they were minis, and market went against me. Damn, Raphael, I'm sorry to hear that, dude. I hate when that happens. I did 4,500 in a day in a eval trade. That broke the rules right on the eval. I don't see activation. Yeah, you probably had a consistency on it. Larry Met says, thank you for the channel, Lou. It's great. Oh, man, thank you, man. Sometimes I feel like it's a little boring because I start to do other things. I have a little ADD or ADHD, something like that. My therapist told me. I go see this therapist for like, not for like because I'm crazy, because I'm a little batty, you know that. But no, just for like tightening up like your relationships with other people. And he's like, I think you got ADD. I'm like, I don't know, I don't. He's like, yeah, I think you do. Appreciate your insights. No worries, guys. You guys think that this is going shorter? It could. Right now, it's a little mixed. So crazy thing happened on my personal Tradeday. I set a sell limit order for 1 M&Q and forgot about it because my family and I traveled to Arkansas last night. Oh, really? Oh, wow. So you probably woke up to a lot of profits. Music is fire right now? Oh, thank you, man. It's my own track. I recorded it. Me and my band. Well, I checked and VWAP was 668. Wow. Nice. Good for you. I think it's going to be choppy, says Jerome. Me Pasa did 4,059 on a day and La Lucid 50K. Yeah, you did too much. Way too much. You have to lose a lot of money or make another $4,000. Yeah, most of us do. I want to go see a trading. I want to go see a trading. Not a trading therapist. What do they call? Trading. I think they are called trading therapists. Trading psychologists. Something like that. I don't know. One of those people to help you with your mindset when it comes to trading. Trading psychologists. I think it's called that. I don't know. Something. I'd like to see one of them. All right, baby. Making lower highs right now, says Kellis. Possibly, yeah. Brickle Trader says, yeah, me too. Let's see what's going on in the world right now. Oh, this is Elon Musk hanging out in China. Eating fortune cookies with Huang. There's Huang himself. Marco Rubio, that's my boy. Look at Elon Musk making faces with the crew. His crew. Tim, what was it? The guy from Apple, Tim Cook, and with others. When he's taking pictures, he makes the funniest faces. Make a funny face. Yo, Elon's such a troll. Okay, babe. Yeah, don't drink any energy drinks, guys. They're horrible for you. That's a cute baby. I get me one of those. She's like, oh, you my mama. How you doing, mama? Let me get some of that milk. That's too funny. "11 people pulled alive from the ocean after their plane crashed off the coast of Florida. Twin-engine turbo prop went down 80 miles from shore on its way from the Bahamas. Engine failure. Plane sank fast. Most passengers couldn't even swim. They floated for 5 hours in black water, praying for rescue. Thunderstorms rolling in. Wow, they were saved. That's amazing. That's crazy. That's a really good story. Good news for once. Oh, we're getting a trapped short indication here. Is it possible we go higher here? Is it possible we go higher? Es posible. Maybe we come and hit that 390 now. What do you guys think? I think it's possible. I think I'm gonna try it. Oh, we didn't get it though. We didn't get it. You should see a therapist. Did not want to say it. Thanks. Good idea, say Piper J. You're like in Billions. Yeah, like Billions, yeah, that therapist guy. That therapist lady. Buying 3 more tomorrow. Code SMOOTH. Trader for sure. Thanks, Raphael. That guy's Chinese top CEO and Musk is his idol. Yeah. What company is that Chinese dude from? Yeah, looks like we're gonna get a move down here to this to this level still at 207. Continuation to the downside looks pretty good here now. At first it looked like it was going to be a pop, but then it looks like the sellers actually got stronger here at the last moment and managed to possibly close this here in a power short. Yeah, this looks good. This looks good. We going down, says Khan. And he's yelling timber. That power short tells us there's possibly continuation gonna happen here. I would like to see another trap long, but we are all trapped long out, I think, up there. Good morning. How is coming back to trading? What evals are good now, and what happened to Bionox? Is it not a Project X? Yeah, Bionox dropped their Project X dropped Bionox. So I have 5 fundeds with Bionox that I can't even trade because they don't have any solutions. They said they're gonna get Tradevate soon, so I'm waiting for them to get Tradevate. They said I can use Ninja. They said I can use Ninja Trader Mobile, but I don't have the faintest idea how to even get that, and I think I gotta pay for it. So I'm like, I'm not gonna pay for a platform when I can use Tradevate for free. So I'm waiting for them to get Tradevate going. Luckily, there's no expiration time on my eval on my fundeds, so I can activate them when they get Tradevate. So Bionox is not the ones right now. Go to our profit matrix. The 4 that I'm trading with right now are Lucid, Tradeify, Tradeday, and Apex. These are the goats right now. So Lucid has really nice rules. Tradeify has a free account that you can get right now for their Traders Cup. Tradeday obviously is one of the goats, and then Apex, you know them. If you're a seasoned trader, you can copy trade 20 accounts with them. So that's the good, the bad, and the ugly. You too, Greg? Yeah, I've got 5 I haven't activated because of that. Market has slowed down quite a bit here. Slowed down, but it's still at a 31 ATR. Still at 31 ATR. Now, Chinese CEO who took selfies with a winking Elon Musk is Li Jun, the founder and CEO of Chinese tech giant Xiaomi. Okay. No direction Friday? Yeah, well, it is a Friday. So given the fact if you guys made any money at all today, consider that a blessing. I'm really not like obsessed about taking another trade today. If it comes, it comes. If it's clean, I'll take it. But if I don't see anything that I'm absolutely in love with, then no more trades for me, even on my evals. Not even on the eval. No direction Friday. We were able to get a lock-in a payout last night, guys. I'm so excited. Lucid, real nice payout from Lucid yesterday. I think it was about $1,200, if I'm not mistaken. Let me, somewhere around there. I posted it in our P&L chat. Let's go to our P&L chat. Let's see. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, we got a 1193 after the split. Nice, very happy. Very happy about that. We had another one coming up. We need $60 more to lock in another one around roughly the same size. That's a good thing about having multiple accounts, that you can kind of revolving door the payouts. Shout out to everybody who posted in the P&L section. Shout out to Paul, who is an absolute monster. Look at Paul, dude. He's got 95% win rate, 88% win rate. Like, who trades like that? Only Paul. Look at this. Look at this guy's P&L section on Tradeday. He took 43 trades, 41 winners and 2 break evens, no losers. Look at this equity curve, dude. That's just insane. Yeah, I didn't know you were this good of a trader, Paul. Would you like to come on the stream one day, dude, and show us how you trade? Because that is impressive. John B too. Shout out to John B. He's a really good trader. By the way, guys, if any of you would like to come on the stream, I would love to have you guys on. John B locking in a massive day yesterday. Ryan locking it in from Vietnam. Look at Ryan, man. He's all grown up. This guy runs an Ironman and trades at the same time. He's crazy, bro. And shout out to Sarush, but you never show us your P&Ls. You only show us your ICT setups. I don't know if this guy Sarush is real or if he's a spammer, but he hasn't tried to sell us anything yet, which is weird. Shout out to Paul again here. Look at him, 4,000 on the day, 4,800. He must be using the Smooth Trader concepts. Not feeling well, taking a break, may quit early. Qualified on Lucid Eval, but need 2 more days of trading. Did a lot of crazy scalps to take advantage of volatility and hit my consistency target on TPT. I may trade later on the funded accounts after some rest. Have a great day, says Paul Verizer. He's a beast, man. This guy's savagery. Savagery. Oh, we getting that trap short indication here. I'm trying to copy trade my Apex accounts, don't know how to. You just go to your Tradeday, using Tradeday, and just create a group, and then from there you can copy trade them. Larry Messi is done for the day. We might be getting a push here, guys. We might be getting a push here back up to 400. We do have a trap short indication here with a real nice candle, real nice looking candle. So either this is the real move back up to 400 to get this green line, which I think it is, or we're just trapping traders long to just come back and hit this green line at 200. So pick your poison. I still think it's possibly more upside. They had a nice pocket of buyers there. Yeah, I think the Qs may really want to go higher here. Green across all funded, says Con. Nice, brother. I think they may really want to go higher here. Yeah, 400 looks like the target. %100% win rate this week, Con. Look at you, bro. Phenomenal week for Con. Con, you should come on the stream, dude. People want to see you trade. I know that I'm trying to get more guests to come on with me, because God knows, you know, like, I don't know it all. There's a lot of better traders out there than me. 4K in payouts from Lucid. Look at you, bro. Post it in the P&L, man. People would love to see it. It's not bragging, guys. It's motivation for others. You guys still shorting? Says I am profit. No, I'm not shorting. I'm not the best trader. No way, dude. Not even close. Not even close. I am sometimes overly cautious. That I will say, and I miss a lot of good entries. That I got to work on. That's why I'm working on that auto trader, because the auto trader will just trade on rules and no bias, no trauma. You know, it's very nice. Might be getting that trap long indication here again. What are we doing here? Markets are giving us signals all over the board. You're giving us signals all over the board right now. What's with all this volatility? Is Trump punking a bunch of journalists again? Maybe. How did you set it on Tradeday? I'll show you in a second. This looks like it's gonna dump. I mean, we got that trap long indication here again. This thing could actually just dump right now. I don't know, it's hard to say. We still got a green wave. Green wave is shrinking. We have some trap longs up here. The 5 minutes looking pretty bearish. I don't know. I'm staying out of this market. Here, let me show you what you got to do. All right, so you just go here to ATM, and you go to the section right here with the gearbox, and you no, I'm sorry, not ATM. What am I talking about? Go here to your account. Go to account and go to manage groups, and then here you will create a group, call it whatever you want, call the group, I don't know, I can't even create a group, testing, create it. Okay, and once you create it, you just start adding these, you start clicking and dragging the ones you want. Okay, then once you do that, you hit save, you can move them all over, hit save. And then once you have it, you'll see down here that you'll have a group. Okay, so whenever you're trading on one of the accounts, make sure the group is activated. So if you're trading 20 accounts, you're copy trading 20 accounts, if you're trading one micro, you got to make this right here, the quantity, you got to make it 20. So you got to add a 0 there. You got to make it 20. So if you're going to do that with a micro, then it would be 20. If it's 2 micros, it would be trade 40. All right, that's how it works. Start with demo. That way you can understand it a little bit better. And then once you figure it out, then go for it. Now, the only thing is you can't bracket trade. You cannot bracket trade when you're copy trading with Tradeday. So if you want to bracket trade, what I suggest is you get a trade copier like I use, like Tradecopia. You can bracket trade with your 20 accounts through Tradecopia, TradeSync, or anything like that. I have a link for it down below. It's only like 30 bucks a month if you want to use them. It's dumping because Trump got nothing from China on Iran conflict. He did though. He did. China agrees that Iran should have a nuclear weapon. Who cares now? Also because of bonds. Yeah, bonds hit 5%. The market is playing like Oprah Winfrey. You got a stop loss, you get a stop loss, you get a stop loss. Everybody gets a stop loss. You live posted in the P&L chat? Oh, nice, man. Congrats, man. Thank you. Let's go ahead and shout out to Khan. Khan posting his wins for the crew. Let's go ahead, man. Guys, I encourage all of you to post in the Discord your wins. People need to see that. People need to see it, man. Look at him. Look at him. Khan of Wall Street, bro. Got paid out $1,100. Another $3 grand. Look at him. He's a beast, bro. This guy's a beast from the Middle East. Are you trading under an LLC? I wanted to trade under an LLC too, but I'd have to reset everything. Look at the official transcripts from China. Reads out. I don't believe anything Trump says that Xi said to him in private. Oh, yeah. For sure. Trump's a liar, man. Trump's a liar. His pants are on fire. Guys, hit the likes if you wouldn't mind for this chop. If you want the chop to go away, hit the like button. So I do that and I can trade on TradingView. What do you mean you can trade on TradingView? Yeah, you can trade on TradingView, but you would need to connect your Tradeday to TradingView. That's a whole nother conversation, but I think you should just trade your 20 accounts. If you're going to use Tradecopia, you just trade on Tradeday, and then Tradeday will automatically put the brackets on your one account, and then Tradecopia does the work of putting your bracket orders on all the rest of your accounts. You're trading under your personal name, not sure why it's saying your YouTube name? Yeah, I don't know either. All right. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be taking any more trades in this chop. This is getting real nasty. The 5 minute looks real nasty. Wicks to the upside, wicks to the downside, stuck at the VWAP. I said it today, if I don't get my trading done before 11 a.m., it's probably not going to happen. So it is what it is. Use TradingView to trade? No, you just got to connect your Trade of 8 to TradingView, and then you can do it. Every politician we have lies. That's the truth. You must not be a politician. Yeah, this looks like it wants to go to 400 now, like Iron Prophet said. We got a double. We got a double here. We got a double. Double trap short indication. Is it gonna go to hit 400 now? At some time today, guys, I think we're gonna get this move down to 29.6, 28.6. Call me crazy, but I think we will. I think we are gonna get that move. I can't believe the ATRs are still 31. That's pretty wild. I think we may have to trade this thing on a 15-second to see anything, any possibility of a trade here. I mean, yeah, we could do that. 15-second looks a lot cleaner. Looks like we're gonna rip to the upside. Looks like we're gonna go. Yeah, 15-second right now wants 400. So we're gonna have to trade off of that. The other stuff is way too choppy. Choppy time of day, yeah. But look, the 15 seconds trading real nice. 15-second came here and created that trap short right here at this invalidation level. Came back in, created some more trap shorts in here. Really nice for a liftoff. Right back up. Beauty, beauty, beauty. This is looking good. Looks like it's gonna go. I'm too late for it. But if anybody got in it, 400 is going to get hit next based on the 15-second. That's what we should be trading on. Well, I should be trading on right now is the 15-second because there is too much chop going on right now. You can make some money on a shorter time frames though. With my indicator, you need the TradingView Premium plan only if you use the Pro version. If you use the free version, which is the volume toolkit, you can use that on anything, even free TradingView. But if you want to use the upgraded plan, then you will need you will need to upgrade it. The upgraded plan here requires you to have a premium version because that's the only way you can get the delta. And TradingView doesn't give you delta unless you have a premium account. Now you can get a premium account monthly, and then once they run their sales, usually they have like a 70-80%, sometimes 90% off sale. Then you can buy a year at a time with TradingView, but I would say just go month to month for now. Even with the 15 second, it's still wiki. It's pretty nice. It looks pretty good here on the 15 second with the Heiken Ashis. Yeah, I am profit called at 400 level out. I am home for 2 days. I had the most profit ever because I was able to trade the London. It moves so clean. Yeah, Levolution. London is a really nice time. I got wrecked the other day in London though. I had 3 losses in a row, but it was kind of like the London session right before the Open, right before the New York Open. So I got wrecked a little bit in there, but it sucks. Oh, I made some of it back. It wasn't today. It was like a week ago. I think it was literally a week ago. I saw some really nice setups in the pre-market, and I got obliterated. Come on, baby. Wow, what a pullback. She loves that VWAP. So we need some more of this VWAP. This is what we need. Gordo says bull here. If any of you guys are wondering who Gordo is over on Kick. I tried to convince him to come over to YouTube, but he's like, nah, I'm good here at Kick, bro. I'm the only one here. He got the whole place himself. What a mixed bag we have. Very mixed bag. The only guy you know is Flacco? Who's Flacco? Who is this Flacco you speak of? Market does not know where she wants to go. Is that pink line the VWAP? This purple line is the VWAP. This pink line up here is the invalidation level for the short. And this pink line right here is, this was an invalidation level for a 5-minute trade, which is the opposite of this 5-minute take profit. So since we crossed over it and found support on it, 90% plus of the time they come and they take the opposite end of the trade, which is up here at 394, which we haven't done yet. That's what the reason why I'm still remaining a little optimist, you know, here about this green level. A little optimism never hurt no one. I'm gonna try the long here with my evals. So I'm long right now. I'm gonna put the stop. I'm gonna keep the stops rather tight. 291. I think we get that 400 level. Long right now. I am long right now, guys, in case you guys are wondering. Stop losses here. If we get one off here, then I'll go ahead and move my stop to break even if we get one off. Nah, so we're gonna get stopped out. Look good for a second. Look good for a hot second there. Oh, there's still a chance. Yeah, sellers are dumping on them. Sellers are dumping hard here. Sellers are real strong here. Sellers came out the woodwork. Wow, buyers are turning up the juice. Buyers are turning up the juice here, possibly. The juice is loose for the buyers. Are you gonna come in? Come on, buyers, come in. Come right in. Doors open. Doors open, buyers. All right, the delta's looking good for buyers right here. Let's go, buyers. Buyers. Yeah, buyers look pretty good. See if they can keep pushing. All right, looking pretty good. Looking pretty awesome here. Keep it going, baby. Give us one. Give us one here. Give us one off here at 360. 360, give us one. Give us uno. Uno. Push a little more. Give us that uno. Come on, baby, just a little more. I'm not taking an L on this. Definitely not taking an L on this. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Alright, I'm gonna take one off there. Alright, I took one off just to lock in some profits. See if we can get the second one to 400. Because if she comes back, I don't want to be left holding nothing or having nothing. She could be that way sometimes, but I think she can get this pepperoni. Let's go. Let's go. She's gonna come back here, sweep me. Let's go. Come on, NQ. Push it, baby. You've been chopping way too long. You've been in a chopperoni here way too long. All right, good, good, good. Keep going. Keep it going. Keep it going, baby. No more chopperoni, baby. This is a free trade for you, NQ. Go. You can do it. You can do it, NQ. 390, baby. 390. 390. Guys, if you are on the fence about checking out the indicator, I got into this trade here because of these trap shorts here. Green wave. Mucho money to the upside. Mucho mula. up there at the 400 level. This level the indicator gave to me on the 5-minute. So a good chance that we go and revisit that. Go to your home. Go, NQ. Go to your home. Don't you like your home? Go, NQ. Go. Go, push. Push, NQ. Push. Sideline, not enough confirmation. Got a 5-minute green. We could go get this. Go, move, stop a little bit. Lock in and break even. Is this gonna finally go up to 466 for me? Said Lufish. I think the 400 for sure here. But I mean, they're just slow rolling this move. You slow rolling, NQ. NQ, you can do it, baby. Just go. Just do it for the boys and the girls. Come on, NQ. Give us that pepperoni, baby. Stop playing with us. Stop playing with the emotions. Ay, ay, ay. Why are you so heavy, NQ? Why are you so heavy? Come on, baby. Give us 400. Let's go. Push a little more, NQ. All right, looks like she's coming back down for the liquidity. She loves her some liquidity. She's like, yeah, get some of that liquidity. She's about to send that dog out here to laugh at us. See the guy, have you met my dog? My dog likes laughing at people. Oh no. Oh no. NQ, what are you gonna do? When Big Papa come for you. Come on, NQ. Let's go, baby. Push. She's getting that Cialis is kicking in. Come on, NQ, go. Let's go, baby. Do you have any coupon for Apex? Yes, I do. It's called Smooth Trader, no spaces. And sorry for the choppy stream, guys. If you guys are experiencing a little chop right now, the for some reason my internet is no bueno. No bueno, mucho malo. Come on, NQ, push, baby. Don't come and stop us out, baby. Because I know all you want is my break even. Then you're gonna rip. I know you are. I know you're a ripper. I know you're a ripper. I know you want that 400 level. We all know. We all know. We all know what you want. All right, she's coming back for more liquidity. She's like, I want his liquidity. I want it now. I want his stinking liquidity. Can I get his liquidity? I want it. Mucho choppy. Push, NQ, push. Push, NQ, push. Push, NQ, push. More profits, more profits. Come on, NQ, let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on, you can do it for me, girl. You can do it for me. Do it for me. Let's go, NQ. There we go. There we go, NQ. You're a hair away, baby. You're a hair away. My Tradeday just completely froze. I have no idea why. I'm gonna report this. Trade, are you okay, Trade? Completely frozen, baby. Completely. Tradeday, don't you do this? Oh my lord. Are you coming back all the way for me again? Here. What just happened there? What's this level at? 394? Going, Q, go! Push it, baby, push it. Come on, NQ. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Just a little more. Let's go, NQ. Give us that push, baby. Give us that push. Nice. Nice, NQ. Show him who's boss. Show him who's boss, baby. Go, NQ. Go. Push it, baby. Push it. Get those buyers all riled up, baby. Let's go. Come on, girl. You got this. You got this. All right, I'll take you right there. I'll take her off. Not bad. Not bad. Starting to get some real bearish signals on the 15-second. I know we're gonna hit this, but God forbid she comes back and sweeps me at break even. I'll be so pissed. So that's it for me today, guys. That's it for me. That's it for me. Yeah, that's it for me. That's it for me. That's it for me. We came, we saw, we conquered. Update group. Alright, so we're done. This is our total for the day. And we're done. Even with our evals, we're done. Everything's done. Done. My screen's frozen, but the audio still works? Oh, cool. You just give me the free indicator for free for a month for this? What did you do? Did you say your Cialis is kicking in? Not my Cialis, the market's Cialis is kicking in. Is it gonna finally go up 466? Maybe. Am I still frozen or am I good now? Nice, we're up to 6 likes now. Can we get 100 before the stream's over, guys? Can we get 100? Good session? Yeah, thanks guys, appreciate it. Is there a thunderstorm or something going on in Florida? No, man, it's my internet, man. I have no idea why it does this to me. I really don't. Yeah, good thing we took profits there because it did pull back quite a bit. Crypto's getting obliterated, says Khan. Yeah, I'm short on BTC, so I'm good with the obliteration right now. Yeah, we got some targets down here, so we'll see how they react. She's got a level here on the 30. Keep our eyes out for this. I might take some off in this area. Mags still got a little bit left in them. Mags want to hit 70.43. Nvidia also trying to make that rally back up. So I don't know what's holding the NQ back right now. Looks like we're about to get that absorption once again. The trap short indication probably once more, and then that final push to the upside, but I'm done. Something funky going on with the internet? Crypto, really? Is my internet frozen again? I just upgraded to like 10 gigawatts. Okay, no, I think we're good now. We upgraded to the 1000 gigawatt package, and I don't know why we're still chopping. Yeah, the best thing you can do for yourselves, guys, is lock it up here after 12 if the market is not giving you what you want to see. Move can come at the end of the day, but if you're green, nice to end the week on a green note. Nice to end the week on a green note. For sure. For sure. Yeah, I did not like what I was seeing on the 15 seconds, so I got out of that long right around 380s, 370s. I'm not sure where I got out, but I got out. I think it was about time. How did I make 451 today on my that's weird. I mean, I'm not gonna complain, but this is really off. Strange. I gotta take a look at my top step. That's interesting. I was entered into 3 contracts with Top Step instead of 2. Has that ever happened to you guys? I was entered into 3 contracts instead of 2 on the copy trader. I mean, I'm not complaining. We're up a lot on that account today because of it. But that just scares me because it could have worked the opposite too. That's very strange. We got a nasty pullback there. Very nasty. Glad to be out of it. Let me show you guys real quick. So Lufish, this is what it looks like. My Top Step here is up $451 on the day. So it turned out that it entered into 3 contracts instead of 2, and it took the second contract profit. It took 1 off where we took the first hit, but then it took the other 2 off, where we took our second TP, which gave us a lot of profit on the day, which is nice. It's good. This is a funded account, so it counts. It definitely counts. But I'm just wondering why it would do that. I don't know why it would do that. Very weird. What's up, Sam B? How are you, bro? You guys want to hear my trading rules, which I slightly bend sometimes, but never break? I never break them, but I bend them. This is the I posted this this week on my computer. It says trading rules to live by. Rule number 1, 3-strike rule. After 3 losing trades in a row, stop trading for the day. Rule number 2, 3 trades maximum. Never take more than 3 trades in a total single session. Rule number 3, profit targets. So if I'm under $150, I'll continue trading until 3 trades max. If I am over $150, and then I stop whether it's 1 or 2 trades. So clarification, once you hit $150 in profit, stop at 1 trade if already taken 1 trade, or stop at 2 trades if already taken 2 trades. Once you hit 150 profit, you are done for the day. 3 losses in a row, you're done for the day. Print this and keep this visible while trading. Yeah, that was really weird. More down movement to come. Yeah, it looks like more down movement coming. SQQQ is moving higher. So is oil. Bitcoin's dropping still. Let's see what else is happening here. Anyone who says that money doesn't bring you comfort is because they haven't seen this video. Oh wow. Wow, that's pretty cool. You gotta admit, that's pretty cool. You better duck your head. That's a nice yacht. Holy smokes. That is like a spaceship. That's a USO. That's wild. Do you think you had a bad day, guys? I had a $19,000 red day where my stop loss was 5,000. They need to fix this ASAP because my position wasn't selling even after spamming the X button. No volatile conditions, just gambling. Stop loss wouldn't execute. What is this though? Top step? Oh yeah, yikes. You guys haven't checked out the Tradeify. It's a pretty cool commercial. It's a cool commercial they made. I'm sure it's AI, but pretty cool commercial. For Tradeify. The Tradeify cup. Is that cane? Is that sugar cane? Is that peanut? Oh, that's Sputnik. AJ? That's AJ? That's what's his name? Brent. They look straight out of Brokeback Mountain. Or is that the wrong movie? That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. If you guys haven't checked out Tradeify, they are running a Tradeify Cup. Really cool. If you guys want to get a free account with them, just go ahead and sign up. First, the top 1,000 traders will advance out the first week of trading. It starts on May 17th. I think that's Monday. And then after the first week, you go head-to-head with other traders. You could even end up trading against one of the celebrity traders that they're going to have in there. Go ahead and hop over to Tradeify. If you guys don't have the link for it, it's down below in the description of this video, or check out our profit matrix, and we have the link for them right here as well. Just click there, and then you'll be taken over to their website. You can check out what other accounts they do offer. They do offer some really great accounts. Lucid does as well. If you guys are interested in any of these accounts, you can compare them next to each other and see which one is the best for you. All the coupon codes and the links are there for you as well. Markets are still pushing down. Just pushing down. Watch this level here at 29,196. The heck was that? So my Tradeday just exploded. It's weird. Tradeday has me in a trade with no brackets. This is very strange. What the hell has just happened here? Did it enter a trade at 11:43? 11:13 is the last short, huh? Yeah, watch it move all the way down to 29,195. Really difficult market to read, guys. Be very careful in this zone. Really ugly. Even the 5 minutes not clear. O'clock. Let's see what happened at 12. Very weird. Just missed that. Just missed that target here at 20 at 190 195 is where the target is right now. We're getting a pop right before it. I think it's gonna just end up rolling over here, so be careful. Khan, you longed at 245. You said slam it, and then you longed at 245. Oh, for a quick scalp. What's up, Vintage Trader? You're in Kiev, Andrew? Whoa. Welcome to the channel, brother. Nice to have you here. Okay. 245. Yeah, they're really, really sneaky, guys. The way they're playing this right now, very sneaky. $322. $322. $11.13. All right, guys. I don't know. Market here is looking weird, very, very choppy. I think I'm gonna call it here, guys, and go. Did we hit 100 likes? What's up, Jackpot? I'm consistently watching you in your videos. Oh, thanks, Andrew. What could be a good position entry at the current moment? Smooth. Trade Conti. Okay, Trade Conti. What we have right now is this. Okay, let's break it down from the 5-minute and on down. The 5-minute has a target here that we still haven't hit at 394. We got real close. We got a 380s, but we have not hit 394. We have to hit 394. We also have on the 5-minute right now, we're creating a trap short indication, which is really strong. If we close this in the next 2 minutes and 54 seconds, which it looks a very, very good likelihood that we will, we're going to get that push finally to 400 and beyond maybe. Okay, so now let's go back to the 1 minute and we'll see that we had a rejection. For the buyers rejected the sellers here. They had a target at 196, never got it. So right now in the next few minutes, if it does end up closing above these levels, then that means that the 5-minute chart is showing a nice clean trap for shorts. So that means it will probably end up pushing back up to 396. That's what I'm thinking. Okay. Looks pretty clean right now. Yeah, 5 minutes needs 2 more minutes. It's looking beautiful, to be honest with you. Delta's looking real good too. So the long here is what I would play. I would play this long. Stop loss down at the wick. TP back at 400. That's what I would play. We need about another minute and change for it to confirm, but it's a very high likelihood that it's going to go. If it does come back out here at the VWAP, if it does come back, this is going to be one hell of a trap, because we haven't confirmed that 5 minute yet. It needs another minute and 30 seconds, getting a nasty rejection at the moment. Let's see if it confirms. If it confirms, this is going to be a ripper. If this gives us a trap long indication, we may come down and sweep this level again. But the 5 minutes looking real strong. It all depends what they do here on this price action right now. Let's see if the buyers can maintain these prices. Real heavy sell pressure there. Dude just got on the 1 minute. 5 minute just needs another 50 seconds to go. Trying real hard here to fake out the traders. Wow. Just giving most of that back on a 5 minute. We got to stay above these levels here, around 260s, 270s. We got to stay above these levels. She's giving a lot of it back, but she still has the indication here. The delta's still strong. The 5 minute is still showing good. We need about 10 seconds here to 15 seconds for it to continue. If it does confirm, I would say this would be a good long. 5 seconds to confirm. And good, blast off. It should give us a nice move. I'm gonna give this a little room down to this invalidation point, and we'll do 1 TP. Yeah, we'll do 1 TP at 400. Not 400, but like 380 something. This is what I'm thinking right now. 5 minute is ridiculously strong right now. Give us a really nice trap signal down here. Still got that level down here at 197 that we left untapped. So we could still come down and grab that, but I think we're gonna possibly keep pushing here. Khan's looking for 305. Or he already got 305. 226 and 193 were possibilities, but 226 would be stopped out, and the other wasn't touched. Nice steak dinner tonight. There you go. We're getting another trap short indication here on the 1 minute. Things are looking pretty good for the buyers if they continue going this route. If they give us a power short here, then that might be more continuation to the downside. Sellers are still pushing. Let's see if buyers kick back in here, because we are double absorption. Really need this candle to close green. VWAP is a funky place to trade though. $11.50 on 6 Apex accounts for me during the drop overnight, but nothing since 9:30. Really, Lufish? Yeah, it's been a rough session for sure. It has been a tough session, man. I'm not going to disagree with that. This time of day is really hard to trade, guys. This is just a paper trade idea, but it could work out. We need 10 seconds to close this candle green. Can she do it? Can she do it? Looking pretty strong here. Oh, you keep a tight stop? Yeah. That was a 50 ATR in a 1 minute today. So there was no room for a tight stop there. That's why I entered the market with 1 micro, because I'm like 50 ATR. Yikes, if I'm wrong here. When I saw something I really believed in with a tight stop, then I entered with 2. Healthy amount of volume. You love today's session? Today's session was high volatility. Big ATRs. That's a dangerous session, so you could get wrecked in that session too. You started late today, Kamal? Okay. Yeah, everything's good today. Everything good. I'm done trading for the day. This is a trade idea that I'm sharing with you guys, which I think could be the one to blast off. That 5 minute just gave us a really beautiful indication. So the 1 minute now should follow. If I didn't have any trades on for the day, this would probably be a trade that I'd take. Guys, let's see if we can get 7 likes on the stream. We got 6 earlier. Crushing it here with the likes. 28 on the ATR right now. Massive ATRs. Is something expiring or popping off somewhere, or is this just a delayed reaction from the big push? Well, today I heard we got some options expiries. I heard that. I'm not sure of it. That could lead to a weird day. Plus, it's a Friday. Everything is trading between VAH, value area high, point of control, and value area low, says Luman. What's up, Luman? Let's see if we can get break of a VWAP here. That would be nice. That's exactly where Khan loves it. Right down the middle. All right. Oil looks like it wants to head to 101.50 next. And SQQs right now are just doing the opposite of the NQ. Are they creating a trap now in a 5 minute? We're going to show some life here. If not, we're going to end up ripping to the downside. You got a lot of people hitting you up to trade for them. You should start a fund, Con. That's the only way you could do it legally. You're too good, bro. The 30 minute is moving. 30 minute looks very choppy though, unfortunately. Could end up printing another trap. for the longs. Just left that juicy 400 level up there, so who knows. It's been a tough session. This market will smash me in the face. Yeah, trading for other people it's a whole different ball game. It's a very difficult thing to do. The only way I would ever consider running a fund for other people is if I had an algorithm that traded it, because human trading is just a recipe for disaster. All right, let's see if we can continue getting this push higher. It would be nice if we could. Looks like we will get a trap short indication here. If it do, she's gonna go. I would even add another one if I was in a trade. ATRs are still really big, 26.5. If this confirms here, I would add another. All right. I'm gonna put one stop loss here. Watch this thing explode back down. That'd be too funny. Yeah, you'll train other people, says Lootfish. We should start a real prop firm. I would love to start a prop firm. Got no skin in the game. Well, you do have skin in the game, but you got no skin in the markets. It's like you're selling the picks. You're selling the shovels, but you're not looking for the gold yourself. That's usually the best business. Whenever there's a gold rush, you sell the picks and the shovels. Yeah, so we're getting a trap long indication now. Yeah, who knows? Can't wait till next week. My friend's father used to tell us that all the time. I can't wait till tomorrow. And we were always like, why? He's like, because I get better looking every day. This is a very choppy market here, guys. Very choppy. Always like, it's almost like instant regrets. She goes one direction and she's like, oh, am I really going to go that direction? Am I really going to go? Am I really? Yeah, it looks like she might end up coming down. She might end up coming down. I get better looking every day. Wedge is getting very tight, says Ken. Yeah, don't you hate tight wedgies? Tight wedgies are the worst. You have a good intentions for next week? I know you are. I know you have better intentions than my stupid dad jokes. Oh yeah, they're gonna make a career out of these trades today. They definitely are. Yeah, this is not moving too much. It's getting kind of boring here. Guys, I think I'm going to say my prayer here, and I'm going to go and do what I got to do here. It's Friday. I got family visiting, so I want to try to get as much stuff done before I have to pick up my daughters from school. So this is my trade setup here. I'd be taking profits, definitely by like the 380, 390 level. My stop losses are where you see them right now. I have one at 252. Oh, no, I'm sorry, not 252. I have one here set at the 252. And then I've got the balance of them at 180. I think we're going to get this move up to the 400 level. But we will see. Only time will tell. So I'll say my prayer for you guys and let you guys go. Before we do, though, if you guys want to take advantage of the indicator that we are using right here to make mucho mula, go ahead and use the free indicator first to see if you guys want to check that out. The Smooth Trader indicator is available. The Volume 2 is available on TradingView for free. Comes with a whole bunch of things that you really couldn't trade without, and much better improvements than anything that's on there on TradingView. Also, go ahead and leave us a review down here and give us a like on Rocket Ship. It would mean a lot to us. If you want to use the professional version, go ahead and check out the link that's pinned in the chat or down below in the description of the video, and you can test it out for 7 days, only $7. And if you want to continue using it after that, then go right ahead. It does require a TradingView premium account, but it's because TradingView requires you to have premium in order to give you the delta information that you need for the signals. Now, lastly, guys, if you want to get any prop firm accounts, go ahead and check out the prop firm matrix. We have Apex, Tradeday, Tradefy, and Lucid Trading. And Tradefy right now has a free account that you can get if you hop over to their website and sign up with them for the influence, not the influencer cup, the Tradefy cup. And you get yourself a free account, which you can start trading next Monday, 17th. You can trade that for an entire week. If you end up becoming top 1,000 balances on the accounts or survive the week with a top 1,000 account, then you head on to week 2 and you go head to head with other traders, which is pretty cool. All right, guys, market is pushing right now. So we are positive right now on this paper trade. Looks like we could be making that move up to the 350s and 380s and 450s. We'll see. All those levels are yet to be taken. But before we do go, let me go ahead and say a prayer for you guys. Father God, we thank you for this day. We thank you for this week that you've given us, Lord. Thank you for the abundance in our lives, Lord, of our families. We thank you for our health and all the things that we could not put a price tag on, Lord. Thank you, Father. And we ask you for forgiveness, Lord, just like we do every day. I know every day we fall short of your perfection, Father, but we try, Father, when we come humbly and ask you for forgiveness, Lord. Father, I pray for this community and anyone in it who is going through a hard time, Father, any which way possible, Lord, whether that's financially, spiritually, mentally, with health problems, Father, or if they have relationship problems with their family, Lord. I pray for all of it, Lord. You know our problems before we come to you, Lord, and you put us through the fire, Father, to refine us. So, Father, we only ask that you show us your path and that you give us direction for our lives, Lord. Father, we pray that we keep us safe until we meet again Monday. In Jesus' name, amen. All right, guys. Well, I'll see you all. And on Monday, and take care, guys. Be careful here today. It is a Friday. Let's not mess it up and give it back. So take care, guys, and we'll see you all very soon.
This indicator called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 trades almost today. Guessing entries using lagging indicators that tell you what. By the time you get the signal, you've already missed the move, or worse, you're walking into a reversal. That's not a strategy, that's gambling. So with this smooth trader indicator, not only do you get unbelievable take profit and stop loss levels, but you also get the triple Lindy, letting you know on 3 different timeframes who's actually in control of the markets. And then lastly, you also get the histogram here, which measures the delta, letting you know if buyers or sellers are the ones being tracked, reacting to the markets and start anticipating it. Click the link below, get instant access, and see exactly how this works on your charts today. The traders using it aren't waiting, and neither should you.